So in example 1, we want to look and see at which inequality best describes the time t for which a car could be legally parked. Now, if you look at the street sign, you can park for 30 minutes between 9 and 6 p.m., Monday to Saturday. So would t be greater than 30 minutes, t greater than or equal to 30 minutes, t less than 30 minutes, or t less than or equal to 30 minutes? So we can park for a maximum of 30 minutes. So we know that the first two are not going to be any good. We can't park for 31 minutes or 35 minutes or for an hour or an hour and a half. So it's going to be one of the bottom two. So t is going to be less than 30 minutes, or t is going to be less than or equal to 30 minutes. We can actually park for the 30 minutes, so we would have to choose this one that says you can park for less than or equal to 30 minutes. For example 2, we're going to define a variable and write an inequality for each situation. So for the speed limit sign, the speed limit is 55. So let's say our speed can be less than or equal to 55. Because you can go 55, you can go 54, but if you go 56, you might get a ticket. For B, the height restriction, you must be at least 102 centimeters to go on this ride. So your height must be greater than or equal to 102. You can be 102 centimeters, but you can't be 101 centimeters. Store at temperatures below 4 degrees Celsius for the milk. So T is going to have to be less than 4 degrees Celsius. It has to be stored below 4, so we can't make it equal to 4. So it's going to be T less than 4 for the inequality there. And for the last one, D, this movie has a rating of 14A. So the age has to be greater than or equal to 14. You can watch the movie if you're 14, but if you're 13, you're out of luck.